Malawi Brief.
But inshallah, it's going to be because someone is really here.
Best mayor we've ever had.
I've been here bean. You need to buy a bean, just a bean. Each and every shop needs to have just a bean. Where you can put here everything that is here, you put it here. Okay? Okay. Cheers. Yeah.
Nice to see you.
Thank you.
Bean, the kind of bean, I never bean. Show me a new bean.
How many? Zabo? Utenga umene we? Oh magana. Koma naona na baba. Kabela. Wila numu. Kabela. Asema wila ni. When you been in Italy, what's going on? Season. Chabu. Jamal Mulba. Shobuyan. Abana nao. Bini ni kuti. Ya ni kuna zona bini. Ukuna shobunya yose, ulendo no ikaidi pini. Abetika mabeba anu madano. Easy. Easy. Kabwera ono mukanji pini yaikulo sati ako tababu. Kabwera ono. Mwawo mapepa lanu ndose. Ulendo no situ kufuna anu. Kufuna limbe wapo.
Pini ya ujambaje.
Wabeti tukaone pini ya jana. Mapepa hata mangu taiga bila mali. Bwana. Ana madano akabwira aseke magaye moto sewa. Magaye moto sewa kungweli mautuma taxi. Ajani wose. Museke magaye moto sewa hao. Wose. Ango ima bena bali wose. Akona ngali balangi. Ina ili wose kumati balangi. Osewa mwaseke mwakie kiyo sewa. Oh, mai. Abwana muna arudi. Arudi. Bwana bini ilikuti. Bini ilikuti. Tatuga umeni kutababu. Sanusi, nige mapini ganja wingi hapo dia. Nikabweraso kopanda pini tizaseka. Nige mapini
Akale swa kwa.
Osadi ngiga mutumba tumbade. Zose zilibanja mungeka mutima katoni. Antu mkumangu abira pakosi osaba bwezeresa uje. Oda sketa mafandisi ngiga. Mafandisi mozi banyebo. Limbe said, community police. Also, I'm my man. That is, if that is something, please, I'm always down. I'm big wagon, but that exactly. Wow. Asewera madora nende mabela. Unamizile kuti mata umapike. Apa langwe mapo mazi tukubandulana. Ya makoza apa ndimbira phone. Ndingani? Mamaliza. Apa kungwe mamaliza tana. Eli amazi. Ma. Ezofunikira izi. Limbi azoneka kuti. And building is Masire. Abana no awo, abana alikuwa. Bwana, nirudu ndo wako Malawi. Kwa badaona nimelipa kodi kila panja. Taona ni hapo takozani, ngati simu kumanga Mungu uko taona ni bwana. Inonde aje China, we are forcing each and every shop to have a gas. Like this place was here. Mugule ya jisuru. Ugamata osa agataye chonjo. We need to keep our city clean. Mumadanda Ramazia, we have fixed the water. You will not see the water again. I am very happy. Yeah. You will not see that. So you too, you need to make this building looks good, eh? Yes. Serious. Okay, boss. All right. Hey, you did in what? Yes. Oh. Bana, Western Union you wakalamba. Eh? Boss. Tell the big man this people bro. Come on. You need sometimes people need to feel that I'm going to be there to make a transaction of money and the building is looking smart. Yeah. Eh? Look what the way it looks. Look at it. Yeah. Huh? At this time I'm going to go yeah, go on to repair. You have seen what we are doing. Here, you are not waiting for us because, no, of course we are doing it. You need to be happy with us. We have tried to make it. What's the mayor's talking about? Yeah, it's what I mean. Look what this is. We need our limit to look smart. Check this side. Have a look this side. 230. Just imagine. Bro. This is that side. Yeah, this is where we are making money. We need the building to look good. Hey. I'm becoming with more respect. Clean it today. Now what's our German report? You know some of us in this program is here. Hey, boss, please. By next week I'm coming here. Next week I need this building to look good. Not the way it is. I can't put my plywood, Chani, Papa, get smart.
One thing I wanted to ask, there's a road like this.
What? What you need to know at least, you can't complain about that because we are making you to be safe, bro. This is a part of exercise rebuilding. We are making the town clean, bro. Eh?
So now I wanted
you people was complaining about the water every day. Hey, Branta City Council, look at the water. You are not removing, you are not trying to remove this water. We have done it.
I understand. I just wanted to ask you.
Hey, you can put it, yeah, it's going to be put it back.
It will be put back.
Yeah.
I'm thinking, because look at the distance, it's big, because that was standing that side.
It's standing where? You just put it here.
Just put it there?
Yeah, here. You don't need to go that side, you put it here. All this will be removed. But you, when I come, bro, when I come next week, I don't want to see this. And I'm serious. Try to do it. Yes, Samuel. Bobo. I said, I always sign his card. Always sign his card. Anyway, always sign his card. Yeah. Aye. Anyway, Hamza. Labera kuna say. This is Sakari Kunchabu. Hamza. Bro, this one. 1,000 here? Hey. Hello. Hey. Boss, where is the dustbin? Where is the beanie? Yeah, where is the beanie? Which one? Who the beanie? Are you serious? You always own the cabin. I'm going to wake up with my cabin. Hey. You need to buy the big one and put it here. Okay? Not there. You put it this side. If anyone has something, he will put it right there. Okay? Yeah, do that. When I come, I need to find a pin here. Without the pin, hey, my brother. Awele bini ya umini. Ayi, mukale bini. Kamene kondika bini. Wow. Hey. Assalamu alaikum. I'm good at yourself. Bro, where's the beanie? Bean. That's the bean, yeah. Where? That one, bro. Are you serious?
Sorry.
We are saying we need to keep our city clean.
This is a small business.
No. It's not a small business. You need to buy the big one, that
Okay,
one.
I'll keep it.
And you need to put it here, not there. Yeah, because
problem.
if someone comes, he has something.
100% I'll
Yeah.
buy it.
Okay. All right.
You know my brother?
No. Yeah.
He's my brother.
Oh, thanks, sir. You need to do so, bro. Yeah. Ogonzera jani, benchi jani, mukaje bese yako. Otherwise nikuchamanisa. Wana laptop jani bomba, usamkula mafoni. Izidu mukabeze shop. In the business yako mukabeze shop. Hii sigwira yani. Imene sigwira. Kuna kuligana. Satana kuma.
Sina chama.
Como essa system vai? Bana. Abana lu. Bini ya munene. But nione.
Hiyo.
Imene sababu nizuone hapo.
Sababu hapa.
Hey. I'm in a bin out with the bush. That was said bin in Sia. It would have been. Eh? Yeah, musica. Bini, I could have bought. Bini, oh my God, that's not what I. Eh? If I don't send that. That bin is carved, I mean, it was the owner. We be some daughter in a body. I'm going to be there with you. Very good. Really? When you get up, I'm going to go to Zona. As I am, hey, must I be here? Who do I go? Who go to one time? Yeah? Who go to one time? Baba na one. Baba na one. That's it. I can't buy that. Enata is in Iran. Here. Enata is in Iran. Here. Shop here. I mean, how? Hey. I say, bro, come here. Can you come here? Come here. Come. Here, you stand here. No one will eat that. There's police people. Come on, stand here. Come on, pass by. You know what I'm talking about that. I said I think it a guy. Yeah, young guy. Smart guy. This one is this side. Hey, I've seen those cabbages. What is saying? No. I would down with you. I got down. Hey, man, I can do now. Come, bro. Yeah, come. Mama. It's only here. No problem. No one will enter. It's only here. How you want? I was talking with this guy about those things. Those guys. Yeah. Can you try? Eh? Yes, Mama, you guys are the owners.
I don't even know the building. Limbe makia hapo.
They what happened? What
happened? This guy I maki broach. Wana broach. Kama kutunga makia wana broach. Hawa walikuwa mashiko hapa. Hawa. Kima si makia makandi wana broach. Wana broach. Ama sikuwa hapa ni nani? Ni Limbe makia. Asa ndio kuna shop hiyo. Approach. Man, I was uncle.
You know, hard to believe. I am on the Zanus. I just had the Zanus. Because we said, Musica was a shop. That day, I just had the Zanus. Bwana mmoja nikabwela sazulezi. Naona. See you, bro. Come on, say. I said, you wait down a minute when you get a smart. And listen, I said, and you know, you went with Malawi. Eh? Somebody in Malawi, you know, my partner smart, or they are smart. Who made it? Who they pay? So, they made it. Hey, as soon as they got ball, my family. Hey, shit. Hey, my men that pay to get a guy down a Mukuru was your team in the dog. Hey, Zuku.
Company really that.
Yeah, and them can actually was only that boy. Hey, Magua. Hey, Magua, I know. Abana is in the valley saddle. He's looking back. Hey, I'm not. Osewa, Segan. I say, Mangano Sewa Imapa. Oh, say Josan, Gina Josi. Here in the first Josan, Gina Josi. Osewa, Io, Josan, Gina Josi. Here in the Papanki. Josani, also Josani. Ina hiyo Osewa Imapa. Ose na Josani. Lakini Josani Makemo Osewa ya. Papanki zona. Yetu kutani. Here ni Josani. Abaso Makairan. Apolan. Beno vai gostar. Are we serious? Are we serious? Abaso Makairan. Everywhere. Yes. Yes, yes. I say, also, I didn't know what the man we need to be serious. Yes. Abele ni magala bawa awosa. Awosa. Sekulani na ndira jiri jose ba ile pote. Wala. Ya ngani wewe kwa pesa ni magala hapo. Pesa ni magala. La pesa ni magala. Usewe la kwambi. Abana, musaimise gaimo dano kufuna magaimo dosewa ajo sedwe. Ase gaimo de ulani wani. Ulani. Abo ni sagari, ulani mabopo ima bopo. Aba ulani bopo. Aba boy magari mo. Mena bangira aba boy magari mo. Boy magari mo no. Boy magari mo no. Ajo se na di ani kuda polisa. Na uza bele go yi. Mama no. Mama this guy. When about go say that. Yeah. Kena bari bose makairan deu ka soltar o ele meta na diana não você subiu aqui você vai ver cadê ele Kapezeka wanjinga nosenda mabiro ndikusamusana. Limbe guys, hey. No sama mabiro. Ukangolola wanjinga kuima. No se ndikusamusana. Sikoima wanjinga.
Wanjinga unaanza kuna bata.
Hapa pasaini wanjinga. Iwe. Nasiye ngamile. Ndangula hapo. Sikoima wanjinga. Mukangolola wanjinga kuima hapa nzakusamusana noti. Wanjinga wanjinga.
Ababa zikaba
Mai majan. Hapa ndikulesa hapa ndikuna basi. Bwana,
magamo razenda tuwe. Hawa alimuda.
Ndio baba. Inaje kama zini. Dadi. Ndio ule mpuruti una watu wangoimisa. Ama kwa huko I say, why you don't do it? You know. Why you don't do it? What do you do for Napanganaga? Yeah, go Manapanganagan. Then you got Buena. You have been a power to Gabuela. I'll go in my Galimo to send him to go.
So if you come out, I'm
Lanki na kubasana. Kuti muzima hapo. Yeye nyakwema huko. Tena hapo. Tena bazite katani usene mkai baraka.
Ah, you take.
Ndio mwenda pesa wene bati. Mtoto wa jina jini josi.
Okay. Ife hapa kama atamaliza.
Hapa sasa ime unani yesi.
Hapa ndio tukamba jina yake.
Akabanga masera kuburuka.